Imagine baking a cake. You follow the recipe perfectly. You put it in the oven, but 5 minutes later you open the door and you poke it, just to check if it's rising. But then it sinks. Not because it wasn't working, but because you interrupted the process. That's what you're doing with your manifestation. You shifted timelines. A lot. You were the energy. But your need to check, to rush, to fix is pulling you out of it. And I get it. This silence feels weird. When you're used to chaos, calm feels suspicious. So your nervous system goes, maybe we should do something. But here's what no one tells you. Most sabotage happens after the shift, not before. Why? Because a new timeline requires a new you. And if you keep reacting like the old you loop, you press reset, you re-enter delay. But it's fixable right now. And you don't have to start over. You just have to stop interrupting the oven. Let the cake bake, man. Let the money land. Let the silence be proof, not punishment. And most importantly, just breathe. Observe your thoughts. Don't attach to the noise. Anchor in the version of you that already has it. Because they wouldn't be spiraling right now. The version of you, that one. So comment down below, I let it rise. I don't open the oven early. And like the video, would be so kind, and catch you when we align once again. Thank you for watching.